Hello. Today I'll show you how to replace the power supply of a Kodak I4250 scanner. To do that, turn the scanner to its side and then remove all these screws at the back, on the back cover. Then just gently take the cover out just like this, and then in case you want to replace the logic board itself, so this is actually the logic board panel, remove all the screws on the end of the logic board. Some of the screws are actually hidden and some of the screws are Allen key, which is not your regular star screw, so you have to get a special screwdriver to be able to remove that particular screws. So to do that, remove all the screws on this end, but I won't be dwelling on that today because my focus today is on the power supply. So now, to be able to remove the power supply, towards the end where you have the power jack, we have 2 screws on each end of that particular base there. Remove the 2 screws on that panel, and with this kind of machine you have to be as careful as possible because these machines are really expensive. They are expensive, and then the part 2 are very expensive. So while working with this machine, make sure you are as careful as possible in order not to damage any parts, because the parts, like I said earlier, they are very expensive. So I'm going to take these screws out right now, and those are not the only screws. We have screws on at the back towards the base of the scanner. I'll show you where that is as soon as I remove this one. So the screw is out, so you can see there's this screw on this other end. You can see if I try to pull it out, it won't come out except you remove the screws on this particular base of the scanner. Just like I said before, all the screws are not the same. Some are star, you can use a regular star screwdriver to remove them, and while some you have to use an Allen key. You can see I'm using another screwdriver, a special kind of screwdriver, to remove all these screws here because they are not the same. So gently remove all the screws. Yeah, I think it's still the main one. Okay, it's out. So you can just pull it out gently, and don't pull it out entirely like that. There's still cable holding the power jack to the main power supply inside. So just detach the cables just like I did now. After detaching the cable, then slowly pull out the main power supply out and then replace it. Thank you, and I'll see you.